Apple iPhone 16 series, what we know so far. As we edge closer to the highly anticipated launch of the iPhone 16 series, the tech world is abuzz with leaks and speculations. Set to debut in September 2024. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max promise to be groundbreaking additions to Apple's flagship lineup. Here's a sneak peek into what we can expect from Apple's latest innovation. Apple iPhone 16 release date, price, and features. Release date. Mark your calendars for September 2024. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 16 series in its customary fall launch event. Pricing. While the exact pricing remains under wraps, industry experts predict a price range similar to the current models, with the base iPhone 16 starting around $999, scaling up based on storage options and the Pro models. Features to look out for: display and design. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are anticipated to come with display sizes of 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches, respectively. A major highlight is the new border reduction structure (BRS) technology, aimed at minimizing bezels and offering a more immersive viewing experience. This innovation will particularly shine on the Pro models, enhancing their sleek and modern aesthetic. Camera capabilities. Apple continues to push the envelope with its camera technology. The iPhone 16 series is rumored to feature a modified vertical camera array designed for spatial video capture. The standard models may sport a 4.8MP main sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, similar to the iPhone 15. However, the Pro models are expected to take it up a notch with a super telephoto periscope lens and a 4.8MP ultra-wide camera, promising professional-grade photography. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 series is expected to be powered by the next-gen Apple A17 Bionic chip, offering unparalleled performance and efficiency, coupled with 8GB of RAM. These devices will handle multitasking and high-end applications with ease. Battery life. Apple claims significant improvements in battery life, with up to 20 hours of video playback and 80 hours of audio playback, ensuring your device lasts longer throughout the day. Color options. The color palette for the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus includes vibrant options like blue, pink, yellow, green, black, white, and purple, with the green shade featuring color-infused glass for a richer appearance. The Pro models are set to feature sophisticated hues, such as black, white, or silver, rose, and a unique natural titanium gray. Cutting-edge technologies. BRS technologies. The BRS technology is a standout feature in the iPhone 16 series, aimed at reducing bezel size and enhancing the visual experience. This innovation is likely to set a new standard for smartphone displays, combining elegance with advanced functionality. USB Type-C, embracing the industry trend. The iPhone 16 series will feature a USB Type-C port, offering faster data transfer speeds and more versatile connectivity options. Conclusion: the iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be one of the most impressive smartphone releases of 2024. With advancements in display technology, camera capabilities, performance, and design, Apple is poised to once again set the benchmark for high-end smartphones. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official launch date. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or an Apple loyalist, the iPhone 16 series promises to deliver an unmatched user experience.